A number guessing game is a great project to start when you learn a new programming language, and I think a really bad way to learn a programming language that everybody does from the start is to go and try and learn it step by step, to learn all the different stuff. You learn how variables work, you learn how conditionals work, you go step by step. I think that's not that's probably the worst way, the slowest way, the most inefficient way to learn a new programming language. What you want to do instead is maybe, alright, do that for one day, for 1 hour, to get the complete basics. And then what you want to do instead is look at examples and look at existing code and just try to understand it, and then try to write your own code as much as possible. It's like it's gonna be 100 times faster if you try it that way. Just trust me. Even if you don't know anything, just try jumping into code that you don't really understand and understanding it. It's a great way. So I'm not gonna explain all the basics of this language here in this video. I'm just gonna write code, say something, you're gonna look at it, and if you don't understand something, you can look it up, how it works, that's on you. I'm just gonna write the code and show how this works, and it's gonna be a simple number guessing. So let's start by creating a makefile. I have a video on this, you can check it out. So that's, yeah. You can create a simple makefile. I'm typing really slowly. I need to get faster. Probably 50% of viewers have already left at this point. But yeah, I might have to cut this out of the video. This is taking so long. And I don't know what to say. So, yeah, just... if you wanna learn it, you're still here. So, that's great. So now we have everything set up. Now we can start writing the code. So first thing we'll do is greet the user. Welcome to the number guessing game! Exclamation mark. Now what we wanna do is set up some variables. So we'll have just 3 variables, 3 things to keep track of. First will be the number. We'll do random number 1 and 100. This is not a real function. I will make this function. This won't work yet. I will create it at the end. Then we want to have guess, which is equal to 0 will be equal to 0 by default, and then we want to have attempts. We can actually just have guess and attempts, which will be actually equal to 0 by default. Then we can do a forever loop that will keep repeating. Now we're gonna just give it some prompt, like enter your guess. Guess. Now we wanna scanf, and this is actually the wrong way to do it. So stay for the end of the video, because I will actually do this in a different way at the end. But this is just, we wanna get it working now. We don't need to do anything crazy. We just wanna have a working game at this point. We can define like max attempts to 6. I misspelled attempts. Should be equal. Then we wanna print printf, you ran out of guesses. The number was %d what am I doing? Number break. Then we can copy this, paste it here. You won. You did it in guesses attempts. And that's if guess is equal to number. So if you won. Then we can do if guess is less than number. Then we wanna print f guess too low. And if it's more, we wanna press guess too high. And this should work now at this point. Almost. First of all, did I just close Emacs? First of all, I did this wrong. Second of all, this doesn't exist. Let's create it, right? So we'll include time.h, and we'll include stdlib.h. That's simple. Then we can define random number min max. We'll do that. Why not? Is rand we wanna do max minus min plus 1 plus min. So this should give us a random number between 1 and 100 at this point, if we actually set up the rand function with this. Now, if we run this, if we mess it up, 6 guesses, you lose. And if you do it, oh, yeah, that's a problem too. We actually wanna do this first, so that, you know, if you win on the last attempt, you actually win and not lose. So that's another problem. But now, if I actually win this time, yeah, 4 guesses, it works, I win. What about the thing that I talked about here, that this is a problem? I will fix this in another video. This is the end, you can go now.